Manufacturing has been around arguably for 240 years. Manufacturing has come a long way. It has evolved again and again. Every year, Smart Business Cleveland has an event to celebrate the continued evolution of manufacturing, and it honors several companies who have demonstrated the flexibility and agility to propel manufacturing in Ohio and the nation forward. At the event, manufacturing leaders and business leaders who support manufacturing get together and share ideas. They network, connect, and help formulate the future of the evolution of manufacturing. Talan Products is honored to be recognized as one of the 2022 Evolution of Manufacturing Award winners. Talan Products continues to innovate, to grow, to evolve to the benefit of its customers, its team members, and its community. Talan Products has consistently been a high-growth company in Northeast Ohio for over 35 years, and it continues to aim high. Thank you, Smart Business, for recognizing Talan Products.